All is well. All is well, and I'm sure you've heard this before from people saying all is well. But what happens is majority of people on this planet are mistaking all is well with that if everything goes my way, then all is well. Well, if things fall apart and not go your way, are you still able to say all is well? When we say all is well, what we mean is, in reality, all is really well. The entire existence is in good hands. Now, it's the big kahuna, it's the Grand Spirit, it's Her Majesty, Lord God, the Supreme Soul, the living Spirit, that which is in control of everything, that which has all these planets to turn around themselves and turn around our sun, that which turns day to night and night to day, that which turns spring to summer, summer to fall, and fall to winter. This being, this intelligence that runs the entire universe, we're referring to all is well, we're referring to that. Now, there may be a tsunami, there may be a natural disaster, there may be war, people may be dying and dying from starvation or disease or whatever, but when you develop your spiritual eye, when your third eye opens up and you begin to see things from a higher perspective and a broader perspective, then there comes this recognition that all is well and all is perfectly done in divine timing and divine manner. And we tune into that part, including any kind of disasters, including if anything that is going wrong from our perspective. All is well means everything is happening due to divine will and divine timing. That's what it means. And maybe half of the time things don't go my way, but still all is well, because that which runs the show knows exactly what it's doing.